is going on YouTube? It's the Crypto Joker, aka Alex Cooper, coming back with another video. Today we are going to be covering a very exciting company that we've been following for quite some time, MORCRYPTO. You're probably wondering, what are these guys? What do they do? Are they an exchange? Do they do this? Do they do that? And I'm here to say these guys do it all, and that's what's amazing about them. They have a whole ecosystem. So pretty much they're a platform that provides, they have an exchange, they have mining services, cryptocurrency e-commerce, as you guys hear, and many other investment opportunities. Pretty much what they are is that they're a P2P trading platform that allows its users to trade various cryptocurrencies mutually. That's their exchange specifically that I'm speaking about. And why do you see Africa everywhere? Africa this, the crypto half of Africa. What does that mean? Pretty much what their goal is to pioneer every innovation in Africa through blockchain and to deliver new products. As you guys know, Africa is a very developed country. It's a developing country, a lot of big things happening, and these guys want to be a big part of it. These guys want to be a big part of their development. They just finished their pre-sale on February 1st. We're going to be talking about that in more detail later on, but they just finished, guys, and now they're moving into the IEO phase. You guys can see here, very easy to register going from there. And you're probably wondering, where are these guys listed? What's going on? Where is their IEO going to be? What's happening with them? Before we get onto the IEO, let's just talk a little bit about their pre-sale. These guys were doing huge things. Their start date, on the start date, the supply was a little over 22 million. They had a discount going on, 50%, so a lot of guys got in at very awesome prices, but that's over with. We can't do anything about the past, but we can do something about the future. Of course, that's just how it goes. That's just how the game goes. So pretty much, guys, they're going to be listing their IEO on 2 different exchanges, so it's very awesome that we're seeing that. They're starting up with the Vindax exchange, and we're going to be featuring that live, what it's going to be, what they're going to be doing. We're going to be having this link in the description so you guys can actually take part of their IEO. And then after that, when that's over, they're going to be doing it on the BW exchange. We all know about the BW exchange. We've been looking at it for quite some time. We've seen it all around crypto, and these guys are just listing everywhere. They're just doing enormous things. So let's get more into what they kind of do, the different services that they offer. What are they all about? They have an exchange. They have a bunch of different things going on. So let's get into it. Start with an exchange. So pretty much, guys, you see everything that they're listing. They're going to be Africa's biggest type of exchange. So we're very excited to see that. And let's get into a little quick about us, what these guys do, what they actually offer. And we talked about how they're a P2P trading sector. They're doing a lot with different cryptocurrencies, and they actually they're actually in the works of obtaining licenses to trade and have an exchange in Nigeria. Nigeria is the leading nation in blockchain, and these guys are doing huge things in the Africa region. So we're very excited to see that. We're very excited to see how their IEO does. We saw that their pre-sale did huge numbers. Their first round of the IEO is going to be on Vindax, as we mentioned earlier. Round 1 and 2 is going to be there, and then that's their stage 1, and then from there it's going to be on BW, and that's stage 2, where they're gonna also have 2 rounds as well. So again, guys, huge things coming. You see all the different things they're doing. They have an exchange, they have a mining farm. As we said, they're an ecosystem. They do a bunch of things together, and that's what we really love to see when it comes to companies like this. They don't have all their eggs in one basket. These guys are trying to pop in many different ways. So you see here, they have a mining farm, they have an e-commerce platform. These guys are doing it all. They have a sports app, and it's just awesome to see. It's awesome to see how active they are. It's awesome to see all the huge things that they're trying to do in the community, and it's just really cool to see. So we're just going to be talking about BW as well on their IEO. So we mentioned Vindax, how it's going to be listed there. These guys are huge. BW is huge. If you've been in the crypto space, you know about them, you know about these exchanges, and not everybody gets listed on them. You guys have to have a very trustable, reliable project to be able to be listed on exchanges such as Vindax and BW. You guys are very active on social media as well. You guys can see all the platforms that they have in play. It's just awesome stuff. It's just awesome stuff. So then from there, you see that they're about the community. You saw it in their pre-sale alone. The fact that they're doing 50% discounts. They were doing all of this. They even offered even more than that at some point. So it's just amazing to see that they're for the people. They want you guys to get in at a very discounted rate, to be part of the big picture, to be part of the big project. We're just going to talk about their white yellow paper very quickly. So pretty much we talked about how they're planning to do huge things in Africa through different ways, such as an exchange, mining services, e-commerce, and different methods. And then, as you guys can see, that's their focus. And a lot of times in this field, guys, I've seen projects that focus on a niche market as opposed to, okay, let's appeal to everyone. They don't do that well, right, guys? These guys know what they want to do. These guys know where their problem lies, where the solution lies. They want to be a part of the solution in this Africa region, in the Nigerian region, and really take over that niche market in a developing company in a very developing region. So we're very excited to see all these things happen. You're going to hear more about them as soon as their IEO finishes. We've been keeping up with these guys. We want to let you guys know what they've been up to, how they're doing, and that's about it, guys. I'm going to leave the links in the description, and we're going to be back in the future to talk about how their IEO did and future plans that they actually do. So again, guys, we're keeping a close eye on this. Crypto Joker, aka Alex Cooper, is keeping a close eye on this. Thanks a lot, YouTube. We'll be back shortly.